ever since the day that you went away.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another video. This is gonna be pretty much like the next day. We're going to the San Francisco car meet, Cars and Coffee, with Mr. Caught by Sebs himself.
Senor. Making the movie today.
He always has better material quality than me. And then we got C6 Vic and his wife.
You already know.
You know the vibes. I feel like she's actually driving the car. Look at that.
I know, right?
Look at, she's got the whole Corvette and everything. You're probably the passenger. Ooh. It's funny because it says a yellow jacket and your car's yellow.
Everyone's a big turn car.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not problem.
Damn, look at, can you taste the rainbow? We got a black car, a yellow car, and a Tiffany car. I like that one the best. So yeah, we're just missing a car right here. Nephew should have been here, but he got pulled over on our way over here. So we pulled over at the Mickey D's, so that way he can catch up with us. Hopefully my boy gets out of the damn ticket, because it's looking rough right now. Thoughts, comments? Why do you think Nephew got pulled over? The great mystery persists. Very emotional.
Oh, this is so sad. This is so sad.
Fuck. Mr. E90 Rio himself.
What's up?
God damn, that stash is looking beauts. That pedo stash.
Pedo stash?
Damn, there he is.
Hey.
That cheeky bastard that got away. Oh, look at that smile on his face. My man's smiling even after he got pulled over. God damn. Look at the shine on this thing. Hey, for a guy that just got pulled over, you look pretty happy. Alright, Dyke, what happened? You got a ticket?
He just got me for no front license plate. He gave me two options, cell phone in hand or front license plate. He told me the prices. I told him front license plate.
I guess that was pretty cool. Yeah, he wasn't too fucked up for that.
No, he's gonna be at the meet, I guess.
Damn. Well, he got lucky, but we're still like 20 minutes away from the meet, so Autobots, roll out.
Oh yeah, there's a whole bunch I just drove by too.
Oh fuck. Well, alright then. Let's roll out, you guys.
Some nice things.
Some Stancy boys. Fuck, I need some fucking Stancy boy wheels. That's for sure. Alrighty. We're back in the bucket. Alright, we're back in the bucket now.
Stupendous.
Stupendous. You're a backseat driver.
What's up, you guys? It's Rio. Tony's driving right now. We're about 15 minutes away. We got Sebastian behind us back there. Nephew almost got pulled over. Two times. But the cop drove past him. So yeah, Nephew's over there in front of us. Yeah, we'll get back to filming when we pull up to the meet.
That's fucking, I know who that is. That's some famous dude. He like take pictures.
Hey, it's a famous dude with a Supra over
It's
there.
murder something. I gotta find it.
But yeah, currently we are stuck in traffic.
That's him. Mudda Media.
Oh,
He drives that Supra.
oh, bet. So that's the guy with that.
Yes. There's his car.
Oh. That looks good.
Instagram, real life.
The underrated car over here.
Sir, we made it to Race Wars, and we got the Incredible Hulk over here. think this guy's famous. What's his name? Like Ruben Z or something?
Yeah, rap looks
Ooh, Sparkly Boys.
Oh, he's on bags. He just lowered.
Everybody here is on bags. Everybody here is on bags except for us.
This guy lowered.
Oh, that's nice. What's up?
We just walked by. They all just went.
Super Sonic.
I'm probably not gonna be long. Like the last time, but yeah.
You're not gonna vlog? You did last time. God damn. Everybody pretty much here. Ooh, look at that. Who would have thought they could have modified a Tesla mobile? This guy's literally on the floor. Literally on the floor.
I like how they do that carbon fiber swap.
Damn. Sick car. Oh shit, the Mustangs are already on the grass. With that vintage Stussy, sir. Let's see the drip check.
Carhartts, yeah.
Broke
the fresh ones out.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do we got for the socks? Huh? What's the sock? Ooh, Nike down to the socks like it's
course.
Biggie Papa.
Of course. Quit playing with me.
Carhartt.
Playing with me.
Really? Let's see.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, that's real Carhartt. Let's check out the butt. Oh,
Where is it?
damn,
Where is it?
my boy's thick. Yeah, the meat's got some nice cars, but this right here is the one. Ah, shit. Say what's up to the vlog. You got an Instagram?
Dude, Papa Nico backwards.
Papa Nico backwards. Underscore.
Papa Nico backwards.
Yeah. You got a Tesla mask. Are you the one with the modified Tesla over there? The purple
No, I
one?
just work for Tesla. You know.
Damn! Light drip. You could eat off this little table, huh? Beautiful.
OEM.
OEM.
Out of Africa.
Africa?
More people still showing up. This shit fucking.
Oh. Yep.
Oh. E90 told me. Boy, almost got stuck. What? Sick ass fool, clean ass fool. The Mercedes gang? The Mercedes group is here. Ooh, Applebee's all-wheel drive fucking Hellcat bitch. Got more fools showing up.
Look like I'm bagged in the front.
Wide body BK1 right here, boys. Damn.
That's a piggy boy.
Sick ass fool. Wide body. Nice.
I'm gonna get famous. Dude, I got. Black Rose.
Black Rose.
No more, huh?
No more. We're Dapper M4 now.
That's what you're changing your name to?
the new ID.
All right, you heard it here.
Dapper M4.
Dapper M4.
I already got a fat carbon wing already on the way. Ordered it before I even bought the car yesterday. So.
Look at brand new whip.
You bought it yesterday?
Got no plates.
Yeah.
The comp. This is a compass.
Yep.
Yeah,
Fully
we can tell.
loaded, every single possible package.
Yeah, we can tell by the
Class of
wheels.
17. Yeah.
So the Karen shut it down. Words?
Bro, smack that bitch up.
Smack that bitch up. Fuck, you got an Instagram?
Yeah, it's IS.
Uh-huh.
Like, I don't even know what my Instagram is. Hold up. I got it right here.
Fuck, let me ask the driver of the car. Your Instagram?
W204 Benzo.
Okay.
It's not .your.is.
Okay, bet. There you go. Let's try to get that in. Okay, not .uris. Right, bet.
Got an IG, caught by Sebs.
Yeah.
Caught by Sebs.
Caught by Sebs and E90 Tony. You got cards?
Hey, that's
What the
hard,
fuck? All right then, take it easy, you guys. Well, our fucking meet got shut down. We were here for about maybe a good hour and a half. Oh well, now we're gonna go to some fucking Super Burger or whatever. What is it called? Super Duper? Super Duper. So we'll catch up with you guys when we get back. There's the Tiffany Point. Well, we are leaving the meet now because the Karen stroke again. Karen strikes again, so fucking oh well. Just the way we were coming in, now everybody's going out. God damn it, Bobby, we got stuck in traffic. Everybody, I think they blocked it off, yeah, because we saw that they were blocking it off. You got fucking E90 Rio out here sticking out my window.
That's not no, we don't want it.
We don't want that. We don't want that. What else we got? Oh, this bike though. A Chewin. Calm down there, Speed Racer. This fancy place. What's it called? Fuck, I can't read. Custom burger buffet. And I got this.
Did you order something? You good?
Yeah. Alright. Oof, it smells good, but for $24 with a drink, seems kind of very expensivo. Is that how you say it in Russian, right? Expensivo? Yeah. I've been practicing. Ooh, and you got the papitas.
I know, but look how fucking small this shit is.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Bro, can you like not point that out? Because that's like my dick size.
No, mama.